I got my hands on this newly launched L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum. This video is not at all sponsored. This is my complete honest review on this product. This serum claims to reduce 49% dark circles in 2 weeks. Because of that claim, I tried and tested it to see if it actually works. The packaging comes in a glass bottle with holographic design. One unique thing that attracted me in this serum is this applicator. It is a metallic roller applicator, triple roller steel balls that bends to fit the contour of the eyes. This applicator bends as per your eye contour. At first, I thought I accidentally broke it. Then I read the directions for use and realized that this actually bends according to the contour of your eyes. Since it is made up of steel, it gives a slight cooling effect which helps in depuffing the eyes. It has a combination of 3 acids, glycolic acid, vitamin CG and niacinamide. It is fragrance free. 20 ml is priced at Rs 6.99. The serum contains glycolic acid, which is an AHA acid. AHA means exfoliating acids. Glycolic acid exfoliates the surface cell, promotes cell turnover and improves the skin texture. So in short, glycolic acid fades wrinkles, lightens under eye pigmentation. Vitamin CG seems to be a new term, right? It is nothing but vitamin C only. Vitamin CG is ascorbyl glucoside. It is a derivative of vitamin C. It is a stable form of vitamin C. Ascorbyl glucoside converts into active vitamin C once it penetrates into the skin. Niacinamide reduces the hyperpigmentation around the eyes. It also gives you even skin tone around the eyes. The texture is lightweight, non-sticky and blendable. So for the last 2 weeks, I apply this serum in the morning and before I go to sleep. I have mild dark circle. I like to apply this serum under my eyes, massage for few seconds with the applicator and I let it air dry completely. This applicator is convenient to use. There is absolutely no need to use your fingers to apply this serum. You could see this serum has lightened my dark circles, so gave me an even skin tone under my eyes. My dark circles is not visible right now. It is an awesome product. It does lighten the dark circles because of the ingredients that it adds like niacinamide, vitamin CG and glycolic. I did apply this every day, morning and night. It lightened my dark circle. I will leave this product link in the description box. So share this video with your friends and family who are dealing with dark circles and under eye pigmentation. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more beauty made easy awesomeness. Until then, next time, bye. To subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.